To address the need for emergency lighting and exit signs powered by a direct current source, several manufacturers offer solutions that eliminate the reliance on traditional battery backups. These systems are designed to utilize existing direct current power infrastructure, common in many buildings, for enhanced reliability and reduced maintenance. Eaton, through its Cooper Wheelock series, provides a range of emergency lighting and exit signs specifically designed for direct current operation. These units are engineered to be compatible with various direct current voltages, offering flexibility in installation and application. Legrand, with its Watt-Stopper series, also offers emergency lighting units that can operate from a direct current power source. This allows for seamless integration with existing built-in power systems, reducing the complexity of emergency lighting installations. Honeywell's Notifier series includes emergency lighting and exit signs engineered for direct current power. Similarly, Siemens, with its Cerberus PRO series, offers direct current powered emergency lighting and exit sign options. System Sensor, with its Spectre Alert series, completes the lineup of manufacturers offering emergency lighting solutions that can be powered directly from a direct current source, bypassing the need for battery backups. When considering direct current powered emergency lighting, it is essential to understand the implications and requirements for successful implementation. One crucial consideration is voltage compatibility. While the manufacturers mentioned offer direct current powered units, they may support different voltage levels, such as 125 volts direct current or 48 volts direct current. Depending on the existing direct current infrastructure, voltage conversion may be necessary to ensure proper operation of the emergency lighting system. Installation of direct current powered emergency lighting requires qualified electrical personnel and adherence to applicable electrical codes. Proper wiring is crucial to ensure reliable operation and prevent potential safety hazards. It is imperative to consult with qualified electricians to ensure the installation meets all relevant standards and regulations. While direct current powered units eliminate the need for battery replacements and recharging, they still require periodic maintenance and testing. Regular inspections should be conducted to verify the functionality of the system, including the operation of the emergency lights and exit signs during a power outage. Testing should also include verification of the direct current power source and its ability to provide sustained power to the emergency lighting system. Direct current powered emergency lighting and exit signs offer several advantages over traditional battery backup systems. 1. Reduce maintenance. Direct current powered units eliminate the need for frequent battery replacements, reducing maintenance costs and labor requirements. 2. Higher reliability. Direct current powered systems are generally less prone to failure compared to battery backups, which can degrade over time. 3. Extended backup time. Direct current powered units can provide backup power for extended periods depending on the capacity of the direct current source. This can be a significant advantage in situations where power outages are prolonged. 4. Cost savings. Over time, the elimination of battery maintenance and replacement can lead to significant cost savings. The direct current powered emergency lighting and exit signs offer a reliable and cost-effective alternative to traditional battery backup systems. By utilizing existing direct current power infrastructure, these systems enhance the safety and security of buildings while minimizing maintenance requirements. When considering a transition to direct current powered emergency lighting, it is crucial to carefully evaluate voltage compatibility, installation requirements, and ongoing maintenance procedures to ensure the system operates effectively and meets all relevant safety standards.